what happened when you mix two powerful herbs as a hair mask? What do you expected? Amazing results. Stay tuned. Let me show you how I achieved this fine ground powder of black seed and fenugreek. Coffee grinder. You're gonna grind the coffee from right here. But since I'm not a drinker, coffee drinker, I'm gonna put it a test for something else. So help me, Lord. So let me just hold on. These are the books, and that's how it comes. So guys, what I'm making, I'm gonna making my fenugreek into grind. So this is the thing, and take a look. So that's it. I got my own fenugreek powder. So guys, watch me as I turn my black seed right here, my black seed into a powder from my hair. So I'm right here prepping. I already mixed the one stuff, so this is the one I'm doing. All I'm gonna do is press it. So black seed. So sift it. See? Before you come for me, be like, Nene, why you don't wear gloves? Boy, please, girl, please. That's why God give you hands. So guys, this is the result. Right here, black seed, and right here is fenugreek. So I'm just gonna put them in my storage right here, and use it on my hair as a hair mask. So stay tuned for the next video for the recipe of it. I love you. Right here, shaky, 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 shaky. So that's it. This is my mask. So now I can use it for different recipes.